right, this is for our level 3 formula madness. Get out your formula madness sheet and you can write them in as I expose them for you. Here we go. The first one we have is something you have already used. You just didn't memorize it yet for formula madness. It's going to be a plus or minus b in parentheses, and then a squared minus plus ab plus b squared. We have used this already before, and just remember that the top ones go together. So if it's a plus b, then it's a minus right there. If it's a minus, then it's a plus there. But always, always, it's positive at that last term. The fundamental theorem of algebra states that the zeros are the same as the degree of the equation. The next box is the letter E. Just like the Greek letter pi has a number associated with it, E also does. E is Euler's number, and it's approximately 2.718. Now we're going to be talking about the word log, and we have logs, and they're the opposite of exponents, or the inverse of exponents. I'm going to have you write this down, and I'm going to kind of give you something to help you remember it. You have a log base b right there. And so what I remember is that we have this base to the outside equals the inside. So it's almost like you're doing a circle. That's how I write it. I write b to the x equals y in there because this letter to that equals the y, going in a circle. That's how I remember it. This one you're just going to have to memorize. The change of base formula for logs. We have a log of some base down there, c, u, equals the log of some other base, u, on top, and the log some other base, c, on the bottom. The distance formula is something you might have memorized in the past. It's a long square root. We have a d for the word distance. Long square root. Make sure you keep that square root all over the top of it. We have parentheses x2 minus x1, and we have squared for that around that parentheses, plus y2 minus y1 in parentheses squared. Exponential growth and decay. Depending on which one we're using, growth or decay, we use the plus or the minus. We have y equals a, open parentheses, 1 plus or minus r to the t. Just for your information, the exponential growth has a positive and decay has a negative. The last one is compound interest, which has a very similar formula to exponential growth and decay. We have an a equals p, open parentheses, 1 plus r over n, close parentheses, to the nt. This is your level 3 formula madness. I hope this has been helpful.